The greener grass grows where the wildfires fertilize, with ashes of sparrows, peppered mountain butterflies, ghosts of trees and termites bloom in the beanstalk. And if you get lightheaded when standing too fast, is it from shaking out the weight of phosphines and basalt deposits on warm little rivers that burst from our world? And God knows crying ain't gonna change a thing. If you said take care, but I take more than I bring. You said it just feels inhumane to lose that much. 'Cause when you leave, you know you take more than you love. Just 1 week of Cicada Days, we're losing touch. And I know it just feels inhumane to lose it much. Our news were rated under ceiling stars that were all glow in the dark, hanging over queen-sized purple waves of ancient chemicals just whisper. Did you ever build at those endangered bones? Well, the ground looks soft enough to bury this now. Please, oh no. And then my sponsors say do nothing works. And then my doctor said don't do that if it hurts. She said it just feels inhumane to lose this much. 'Cause when you leave, you know you take more than your love. The seasons are Cicada Days and can't make up. I know it just feels inhumane to lose this much. Oh, let all my red flags fade to white. Yeah, I give up. Don't let me leave, I'll only take more than I gave. Okay, I'll pack my stuff here at the end of days. My God, what have I done? Christ, now it feels damn inhumane to get all I've dreamed of. Keep coming back, it works if you work it, so work it, you're worth it, it won't if you don't. 1 day at a time, tomorrow's too late, amen.